Hey guys, this is the Digital City here. As the title says, today we are going to discuss some basic but at the same time core things in an object-oriented programming and our first steps into the OOP world. So first off, I would like to answer to the most popular question, the question that I used to ask when I was getting involved into programming. So the question is, what is the real difference between classes and objects in Java? And why does everybody say all the time that in Java everything is an object? What do they mean by saying that? So I'm gonna say straight, if you want a direct answer, it is pretty simple. The class is a description and the object is an implementation. That's it. So please keep in mind this statement because we're going to get back to it. So let's assume the following example. Let's assume you're a fashion designer and you design clothing, bags, accessories, whatever. So let's think about the flow of your work. First off, of course, if you're an artist, you're having an insight, the idea is coming to you. So let's say in this case, you're having an idea of a creative t-shirt or something. What do you do next? The afterwards, you are taking your pencil and getting to draw whatever your insight is on the paper. And afterwards, you finally go to your studio and speak to your tailors who will actually implement your idea from your drawing from scratch, from single strings to the very final product. And after your tailors are finished with their work, you can get your desired t-shirt and provide it to your customers. So this is the basic flow. Also, you can get a bunch of same t-shirts with different colors, sizes, and so on in this case. So let's think about our flow of action. So the basics of programming is that you should retrieve the algorithm from a single or in some cases multiple examples or cases. So here in our case, if we go one level higher, when we try to retrieve our algorithm in the common manner, it will look like this. The first step is the product idea, of course. The second step is that if you're an artist, you are drawing on the paper with a pencil your thoughts, your insights, whatever. And the next step is you are passing the design to the tailors and they are creating the t-shirt from scratch. So if we translate this flow to a common one, it will look like this. The first step in both cases is surely the same idea. The second step, when you are creating your own t-shirt design with a pencil on a paper, is the description of the product. Like when the designer is drawing his insight, his idea, he kind of describes the product, what it should look like. And the last step is, of course, the implementation of the product. So as I said before, do not forget the statement. The class is a description of something. It can be anything. It can be a t-shirt, it can be pants, it can be a smartphone, laptop, car, house, human, anything. And the objects are the actual implementations of that descriptions. So when we are having the same smartphone with different colors and specs, those are both two different objects of the same class. I want you to stop for a minute after watching this video and try to look to the world from the object-oriented point of view. Look at your desk, look at your, I don't know, glass of water, cup of tea, coffee, anything. Try to find as much objects as you can and list them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next part.